Ladies and gentlemen, we are back for the afternoon session, Asia session. This morning was very, very rough. If you did not tune into the live stream, go watch it. It is up. I am not gonna hide anything. I went on full tilt, and boy, did things get ugly. Very, very ugly. Not gonna lie, very tough. But you know what? That is part of trading. And the only thing we can do is focus on the next one. Literally, all we can do is just focus on what's next. Because if I dwell too much on it, what really sucked, if you watched it, I'm still a bit butthurt. Because I literally got bottom ticked. And then the market ran up like 100 points. In my favor. Insane. But I don't think I was the only one. It's been rough. It has been absolutely rough, but we're better. We're back, and we're gonna make it happen. Got 2 minutes until the open. Let's see, yeah, look at this crap. I'll even show you. Look at that. It's still here. Literally bottom ticked. And then it ran up. It never came back down. Oh, right. I'm a little bit too heated about that. I need to calm down. That's just crazy. From 340, yeah. It went up 200 points. But sometimes, you know what? I'm moving on. So right now, we are about 30 seconds away from Asia Open. Let's see how we are doing here. Got about 15 seconds. I don't have much. I've got about maybe $1,000 left, maybe on this account. I don't know, because I never even went into the positives. I think today. Romer, how's it going? It's okay. Actually, nah, man. Oh yeah, huh? I didn't stream like yesterday. Tough. Hey, it was yesterday was pretty busy, but we're back. I don't know if you tuned into this morning or watched the recap, not recap, the replay, but this morning was ugly. Here we go. I like the short. Let's take this. See if we can get down here and fill this gap. Very aggressive entry here. Kind of FOMO into it, but want to see us just fake to the upside. Move it back to the downside. See if we can get back down here and fill this gap. This dang gap. I'm about to get stopped out. And stopped out. I am going to be a little bit aggressive with this. There's not much balance left on this account, so I'm going to try to be a little bit aggressive with it. Oh, don't tell me I got top ticked again. Seems to be the theme of today, or at least this morning. I got top ticked. And if you missed it, I was long here. Literally got bottom ticked for my stop loss, and then the market ran up 200 points in my favor. Super tough. That's the name of the game. Looks like I might have gotten top tick here, yeah. How do we look on ES? We do have this gap, so ES is turning red, flip red. You know, let's take this buy entry. We'll run it back up. I'm kind of being a degen here, so this is not really full in trading. This account's about to be gone, so I don't really have the... I guess I could try to bring it back, but I'm going to be aggressive with it. Oh, if this goes down and fills this gap, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed, because that's what I wanted in the first place, but I think the bulls still got a chance. If they can hold it bullish, get another push back up, or get bottom ticked here again. Luckily though, I didn't touch any other accounts besides just my Apexes. I had another prop firm that I traded with, which I just went in, logged in a day, like a very quick just scratch day, just so I can get in my second day of trading there, and that was really about it. Oh, we're about to flip this down. I'm about to get stopped out. Let's remove that. No, there's no framework here. I'm just being a degen roamer. With this one, there's not much balance left on this account, so I'm kind of just being a degen here, to be honest. There's no framework right now with this one. So that is why it's not the right mindset to go into it, but I'm like, you know what? There we go, stopped out. Unfortunate, because this was what I wanted in the first place. That's tough, but that's the name of the game. I had a lot of Apexes, PAs. This one, 53, I don't think I'm going to touch. I'll be honest. I'm probably going to leave that, to be honest. Luckily, though, we did secure a win on the actual one that matters. Is this one. So the balance for this one is at 35.82. I think we're on day 2 for that one. So we secured some profit there, which is great. Got the 200 winner, so I'm kind of just leaving it at that, to be honest. We're going to fill this gap. So a bit aggressive with the entry there, so if we don't fill this, good chance that the bulls might come try to run it back up. Here we go, filling the gap. Tough. We got kind of, I guess, a little bit top ticked up here. Seems to be the name of the game of today. Just getting top ticked and bottom ticked both ways. How am I down 12 on this one? I don't think I'm down on this one, am I? No, okay. What to say? My P&L on this account is showing negative. Like, yo, I have not even taken a trade on this. Like, calm down. Take a break. We are continuing the breakdown here. Either way, hopefully your day went better than mine, Romer. Today was a tough day. Alright, we Gucci. We good, we good. Did we get a 2 o'clock? Yo, what is this? Power hour seems to have been the move. We've been getting quite a bit of power hour moves. Looks like the bears have taken control here. So the question now is, if we do break down, are we going to see this level down here of 550s? Is that going to be the move? Nice. I think that the winning phase kind of caught up to me too. I've been getting a little bit overzealous on my trades. And that tied with just being impatient. I've gotten really impatient. I copy traded. To be honest, I look back now, I shouldn't have copy traded my Apex accounts this morning. At least, or just been more patient. And really, it all just stemmed from being impatient. When I break the downside, first trade would have been a winner with the other account. Because I was looking for the gap fill and had the signs, but it just wanted to push back up again. Stop me out. Tough, but I mean, what can you do, right? What can you do? Nice. Yeah, I mean, drop it on, dude. Drop it in the chat. I don't have an X, but I mean, shoot, do it, man. Drop it down. I think it's always interesting to see other traders, just to see where they're going, you know? Seeing other people's journey. I think it's for me, it's like, it's not entertaining, but it's like, I guess it is entertaining in a sense, but it's not so in a sense of like, I don't know, like a dogging way of entertaining, but just like, hey, like, okay, cool, this is how this guy's doing. Q, all right, bet. Let me put that down. It's a good way to do it. All right, let's gather our thoughts here and focus back in on the market. I'm a little bit hesitant on the short here just because there's a 5-minute gap up at 20. Like, this might just be a fake out to the downside. With this crap, it just fakes out and then it continues going up, right? But with the wick up there, we're probably just gonna have to play with the trend here and play the trend is your friend type stuff, you know. Let's go look at the daily chart though. I'm gonna see how we've been doing the past couple of nights. I mean, yesterday night we've just really been kind of selling. I mean, the wick today too on the daily chart is nasty. It's looking like strength to the upside if there's anything, but maybe we finally get a night where it just goes up. Let's wait and see how we react. If we get a pushback to the highs up here, I think the bulls are gonna come through. I'm gonna be frank. Yeah, I mean, the bulls are looking strong. I want to enter. I'm gonna go in with this, set my stop loss, and then we're gonna join the bulls. Look, if they want to push up, I'm not gonna be against them. Push back up to here to the highs. We're coming up to VWAP, so gonna see a little bit of resistance, but I'm kind of hesitant on just shorting here, just because I don't know. I could be wrong, but I just have a feeling that the bulls don't want to give up, just because we've really been selling these past couple of nights too. I mean, let's go here, like this crap, and then this crap here too. So we've really just been selling. So we'll see. Let's see if the bulls can just kind of get this V reversal back up here. It'd be great if they could reverse and come back up to 30s. If they can push it back up to these highs up here, then the bulls have definitely, I think, taken control again. But right now we're seeing some short-term resistance. I got my take profit up there just way up high in case it just wants to automatically bump up there just out of nowhere, just give like one straight candle to the moon. Other than that, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled, see if we can tag some winners down here. There we go. We got the bulls coming in. Can we get the bulls to keep coming in? We got ES pushing up too, so really want to see the bulls continue through here and not show much resistance. We have about 10 seconds until the next candle. Oh, nice, Romer. I want to see a clean breakthrough VWAP here. Don't want to see this chop here, because if it chops here, man, I'm just not gonna like it. But I want to see us move, really get a push up there. I'm going pretty heavy on this one too, so this is a pretty risky trade. Yeah, look, looking like the bears are in control for this one. I'm going to move my stop loss under this low here so I don't get freaking wicked out. I'm tired of getting bottom tick and top tick. That's just so frustrating. Let's get the bulls to come in here. ES not looking too friendly, but I'm in it, and I'm in it for the long haul. Bulls are stalling here, but we can just get this break above 26, which is right at VWAP, and get that continued push to the upside. I mean, it'd be great if we can come up here, you know, up to 85, 80 levels. 80s level, that would be absolutely pristine. So, just gonna have to wait. Don't want to see this chop here. Let's just get this clean breakthrough. If it breaks above 26 and we don't get too much momentum and it wakes down, I'm probably going to kill the trade. Take whatever I get. But right now, want to see this clean breakthrough. Let's just come back, V reversal to the upside and stop rejecting off of VWAP. But kind of what we're seeing right now. Not great look for the, at least for me. Can the bulls push this? Really want to see this break above 26 and we just continue moving up higher. Stalling here. We're back above it. The bears are keeping it under 20. And new candle. Oof. It's a tough look. Will the bulls have enough strength to just keep pushing it up? There we go, getting a jab again. We got ES kind of starting to break out, so can we get the bulls to carry on over? Breakthrough 26 cleanly. Let's get a strong push to the upside. I don't want to see ES wake here. Go just get that 26 break. It's just right there. I'm gonna de-risk here. I'm gonna put my stop loss right under there, right under the low of this guy, because I want to see this breakthrough right here. I want to see a clean break. Let's go through with this candle. If not, looks like I'm stopped out. All right, stopped out there. So that was, we're down 236, not bad. We are holding resistance here. This is not what I want to see. I want to see the bulls come through strong, but if they're not going to hold up, if the bulls are not going to get that push up, I mean, I might just flip short and go here. 612, nice, nice, okay. That the bulls had a little more juice. I wonder if we're gonna get a like reverse of what's been happening, because the past couple of nights Asia has been going up and then London has been selling. So are we gonna get the opposite here, where Asia is gonna sell and we get London to just bull run? Well done, Romer. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. He's being stubborn here. Yes, wake 2 at the top, so that was not a great look. Yeah, ES is kind of just stair stepping. Knowing this, probably just. I'm surprised they didn't break 26. I mean, this right now is technically a bear flag, so you're looking at it from this standpoint. Did I freeze? No, okay, all right. It's just not moving. We're just having a battle right now. Pure battle between both parties. ES is still moving up too, so I wouldn't be surprised if I got bottom ticked here again. Coming again. Again. Bulls are still trying to stay in this. Will they get the break of 26? If not, I'll switch bias and I'll join them short. We'll play this game if y'all want to play. See some weakness here. Yeah. I'm just gonna yes. Yep, broke to the upside. There we go, now we're moving up. I guess I could have just left my stop loss. If I would not have touched it, I'd still be in the trade. But I mean, I don't think we could have guaranteed that it was going to keep going up. Right, it could have just tanked down. Talk about tough, right, Romer? I should have just left my stop loss. I mean, I think the Bulls are in control here, so they might want to continue rallying up. So something like this, where they come back up to 60s. We'll play it. I'll play it. Want to pull back down, Bulls? Hey, I'll play this game with you. Now, if this wicks all the way down, might be my last trade of the night. Either way. Oh, don't play this game, Bulls. This time, I'm going to leave my stop loss, but guaranteed, I feel like the moment that I decide to leave my stop loss and don't touch it is the time that it's going to get hit. Looks like it's happening. But what would be, coming back to reality, good is the Bulls just continue to push up here and kind of fill in this little move up here made by this little number right here. I think will be the ultimate. So just like a little fake minor pullback, right? Fake pullback, and then we just continue breaking up. So if they can break above 44, really realistically get above 45 and just keep pushing it up will be the ultimate thing. So can we continue getting this push up to 56? Kind of feel the numbers, feel this weight here that was made by the open. ES still hasn't broke high, so kind of holding NASDAQ back. But I want to see the Bulls really just step in through here again. Continue moving up. Don't want to see chop here. I think if you see chop, the last thing I just want to see is a stair stepper up. Like, that's just so frustrating. So we have a big, strong move. Let's just ride this out and get the Bulls to come in and really just push it. Just push it. If we can get ES to break out again too. Oh, come on. Don't pull this choppy crap. It was doing the same thing yesterday too for Asia. I did trade Asia. I just didn't stream it. I was busy doing other things, so that's why I didn't stream. And then normally I wake up early on Thursday mornings. So with that, I typically don't stream it. Looks like we're not getting any follow through here. No follow through whatsoever. How much were we at? What was it? 38 to 42, up 5 points, yeah. $10. Can we still get the bulls to really just push here? Is the ultimate question, or was it just now fake to break all the way back down? ES stalling out. That's not what I want to see. But we are in it. Do we have the juice? I do need to fix my lighting though. I mean, it's kind of natural lighting in the bag. That's just the sun. That's where the window's at. There we go. Can we get the balls to push through here? Get one more push. Let's push it up and just fill this wick again that was made by the open. There we go. Still getting the push. Can we get the clean breakthrough 45? Let's break 45 and then we push up to 56. There we go. Good clean. Not really clean. We're struggling. We got ES breaking out too. ES almost filling the wick that was made at the open. Let's get more bears, just trying to short up here and get the bulls just to keep rallying. Looking at the ask, I saw 43 for a second there. The ask is 40. Again, the bears are trying to hold it below 40s. But let's get this push. Continue pushing up. I mean, I would imagine there's a lot of bears trying to short at this level, trying to bring it back down. So if we can get more liquidity just for a spike up, would be the ideal move, ultimately. But doesn't mean that it has to happen, right? We get the ask about 40s. They're trying to keep it below 40s. Really need the bears to step through here. ES, again, approaching highs. So if ES can just get another jolt to the upside, should take NASDAQ along with it. Let's bump it up to 56. Yeah, it's kind of tricky right now with the market. I'm not gonna lie, especially with what's been happening. And then FOMC too. Oh, such a big letdown, man. I thought it was gonna be super whippy and we would get some volatility. Nah, man, it was terrible. I think that was Powell's last. I'm not sure if it's been confirmed, but according to rumors and everything that is spread online, it may be Powell's last FOMC. So time to get a different home record now. Powell, you've blown enough accounts. Time for you to pass the torch on to somebody else to do that. Is that your name? Are you pulling my leg, or is that actually your name, Powell? Runners. Is that your name? Nah, dog. You're joking, right? You're just pulling my leg. It's like, nah, I know what you mean, Romer. Get the runners. Get it going. Dog, give me a running trade, man. Let me get a freaking 100-point banger. You know? Why not, right? Why not let me win? NASDAQ. Oh, I'm not. Okay, ES comes up there. I think we still have potentiality. Let's break 45. It's really holding us down. Where is it? Yeah, 45.75. See if we can get this continued movement up. They're kind of stalling out. I'm not liking it, but I want to see the bulls step in here. Let's break through 45 and let's go up to 56. I'm looking at the ask and they're just trying their best to hold it down. Something's about to happen. Either we're about to break out or it's just going to massive dump. Got about a minute left. $45 is being stingy. Let's get that break. Come on. 43. Can we get 44 on the ask? Because 43's just been holding us down. Yeah, Romer. Well, that's how I'm gonna know you. Your name's Romer. Even if it's something different in real life, you'll always be Romer. Here we go. Yeah, dude, it's just stalling out so much. I absolutely hate it when this happens. I just want to see a clean breakthrough. We're holding out, so I wouldn't be surprised if this just automatically just dumps, wicks me out, and then continues back to the upside. Seems to be the theme. I know I said it multiple times already on this stream, but that's kind of been my predicament today, dude. It's just getting wicked out. It is unfortunate and frustrating at times, but what can you do, right? There we go, stair stepping up. Are we gonna get the stair stepper of death? Everybody's trying to short here, so there's a lot of, I mean, there's got to be stop losses up here, right? I can't see anything. And actually, there was a YouTuber that used to stream Bookmap for free. And I remember so many people tuned into him. But they took him down. He got taken down his channel. So he lost all of his views and whatnot. I'm going to try. Oh, maybe there is. 1 minute feature. Somebody's streaming it. Alright, so there's a big chunk at 24,650. And then there's another huge chunk to the down bottom at 630. Oh, of course. Come on, y'all. Don't be like this. That's right where my entry down here is at. Let's go get 650s. How about that? But yeah, dude, that guy that was streaming it, he had over, I think, 20,000 subscribers too. So he had quite a bit. I bet he was making quite a bit of money from it. But I think somebody reported him. And then obviously Bookmap owns Bookmap, because you can see the heat. So I think they took him down very quick. I don't know if he ever got a lawsuit, but I remember he went down and a lot of people, including me, was like, oh man, no, this was free. I'm a cheapskate, if you can't tell. You know, I'm a very frugal man. So if I can get it for free, hey, I'm gonna do it. But then again, I used to pay for Bookmap too at the beginning when I first started trading. Honestly, it was such a stupid thing. I don't even know why I got Bookmap. Alright, so there was a huge chunk from what I pulled when I looked at the channel, the guy that's streaming it. So I think 650s is coming up, and as long as we can keep breaking out, or breaking out to the upside, I think there's a chance that we could just run through 50s, because there's a huge chunk. So let's go fill those orders up there. There we go. A good close. Yep, the huge chunk. It's at 50 still, so kind of stalling out here. Are they gonna go grab it, or is it just gonna? Oh, is it just gonna dump here? Are people really trying to short it down to 630s? Nah. I bet a lot of bears are trying to short. Keep gathering that liquidity and just keep pumping on it up. Either way, I'm in this trade, so whatever happens, what happens now at this point. We broke through the 45s, but I get no juice. There we go. Let's just fake out these shorts. I think there's a lot of people that are trying to short here. Give us liquidity. Give the bulls the liquidity. And then we'll just keep running this up. Back up to the highs of that wick. I would rather this fill here within the next 30 minutes or so, next 26 minutes. I got my roommate that's streaming at the top of the hour, so I gotta be sure that I'm off by then, so I'm not drawing too much bandwidth. There we go. Can we get the bulls to continue to come back in here? Get this continued push up. So ES about, yeah, I mean, ES came a couple points away from what? The wig that was made at the open? 80, it came to 79, 75. Wow, so literally one tick away. No, so he streams gaming, so he's a gamer. So he streams his gaming content and whatnot. So like two complete different things, but both on YouTube. But he streams that. And then I typically roll in on his stream too, just to support him as well. So we kind of have the thing going on where we just support each other. It's the best way to do it. All right. Bulls are trying to make another push up. Can they get this clean, like break through the 50s? It's going to be a lot of chop here. We're pushing down now. Bears have taken control again. I was up 300, probably should have taken it, but wanted to see the clean breakthrough. Bulls are not getting the steam they need. Let's just fake them out. Let's just keep going. Fake out the bears. And keep pushing it up. Because I think the block at 250 or 650 is there still there? Yeah, I mean, we have a huge chunk at 24,650, so it could be entries, it could be stop losses. I'm checking this chat too, that the guy's streaming on a Bookmap and nobody's talking about going short. Yeah, EOS looks like it's about to take it. It went right back up. Equal. Okay, so it came up and made equal highs. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, it came up literally equal highs and didn't break through it? Come on, ES, you're better than that. Yeah, dude. That's a good plan. Plan the trade the plan, Romer. I'm not gonna try to sway you otherwise. But I love it. Get your plan. There's some liquidity building up at 60. Got a small chunk at 60, so I think they're putting it right above here. So people are probably looking to go short up here as well, I would imagine. But there's a huge chunk at 50. I want to see if 50 get taken out, and we went up to 56. So huge sell, come right back up. So we got about 50 seconds left until the next candle open. I don't want to see this bump back down now. So I want to see the bulls to come strong here, continue selling up. I mean, buying. There we go. Everything belongs. Did I don't even know what I'm saying now at this point, dude. I'm just kind of like all over the place. But all right, so the liquidity is up above 50, is like 65. It's going in and out. So I know, dude, for real, fade the masses. But dude, ES literally, I think if ES doesn't break the high, if ES breaks it, that might be the breakthrough that we need for NASDAQ. Oh, this is so frustrating. Can we just get the move up? ES is literally, yeah, ES is edging hard as crap, dude. It literally equal highs. How's that possible? It better not just project there. We need ES to break those highs so that NASDAQ can follow. That chunk at 50 is just holding us down. Come on, market makers, go get that chunk. I know you love liquidity. It's still there, 50. I'm looking at book map. We're just stalling. This is so ugly right now. I'll go, although I guess since we're in this trade, it looks like it's coming back down to earth now. Dang, tough. Either way, prop firms are starting to kind of dial down on their people that they allow to become affiliates. They're kicking out a lot of people. I think one prop firm, Take Profit Trader, they started kicking their traders off too. Oh, here we go. Looks like we just didn't get enough steam to break it above 50. Yes, dude, literally equal highs. That's tough, Romer, because you were looking to take that short above it. That's pretty frustrating, man. Literally equal highs. How's that even possible? And on on the 3-minute chart, it happened on 4 candles as well. Well, 3, I guess. We're gonna exclude the wick at the open. But man, talk about tough. Right? I mean, your trade's working out, Romer. It's just that you're not in it because ES wanted to be a, dirtbag. Didn't want to break the highs and just all of a sudden just wanted to sell. Let me charge my phone. And now we're breaking down. I don't want to have to sit through this trade for another 15 minutes. Yeah, unfortunately, ES decided not to break highs. It said, hey, we're going to make equal highs. Well, I guess I'm looking at ES on a 3-minute. That's why I'm talking about equal highs. But on the 5-minute, it looks a little bit different. But, man, talk about tough crowd, eh? Does this mean we're just going to flip down now? Is that what's going to happen? Hey, that's a good way to do it, Romer. That's a good way to trade. I think it's respond in a sense. Like, yeah, trade what you see, not what you think. That's what I was trying to say. Although sometimes it can be a little bit easier said than done, because sometimes I trade what I think and not what I see, and that's usually whenever I'm pretty tilted. But let's just get this break of the highs. It's into this crap for the longest time. Barcoding here. All right, you guys. Ooh. Need you to attack the highs. Make new highs of the night and take NASDAQ along with it. All right, neat. Come on, NASDAQ, let's get a push and break through 50s. Oh, straight down. Love it, Romer, love it. It's a good plan. You got the framework. My first trade, if I would have just, I mean, there's really no adjustment. I really should have just, I guess if I would have adjusted my stop loss, would have been a different trade. Because I was looking for the first initial gap fill down here. Opened up, and I was like, yeah, we might get it. So, went short, got stopped out. And then I got basically chickened out. Should have just left my stop loss down there, but now we're kind of just caving. VWAP balance plus liquidity, okay. Yeah, VWAP's here at 30. I don't think there was a huge chunk here at 30, which it's gone now, I think, when I look on Bookmap. ES is not looking great either. It's just kind of staircasing down. What are we gonna get here? Love to be out this trade for top of the hour. Preferably getting my take profit hit, not my stop loss. But I mean, we can't tell the market what to do. All we can do is just watch it do what it's gonna do, you know? Here we go. Can we get the bulls to step in here? Come on, bulls. One more push to the highs. One more push and call it happy night. But there we go. Getting ES to push back up as well. Kind of stalling out. We're definitely trading Asia right now. It's kind of crazy. If I were scalping like a madman and just going for like 5 points, I'd probably be up close to $1,000 now. But I'm sitting here in this trade. I do want to log in to check my Apex accounts, see where it's at. Okay, let's go. Because I should be on day 2 of the one that I've been taking a payout on. Luckily, the money did get sent, so I should be receiving that, if not tomorrow, maybe by Monday, from the payout I requested a couple nights ago. I did that on stream as well, so that's a Good stuff. Level 3, 51. How many days are we in? I wish it would tell me. Trading details. So today, 279. How many days am I in? Okay, so 2 of 5 days completed. Sweet. So now we just need 3 more. So tomorrow will be, I guess today, this session today will be the 3rd. Alright, so I gotta wait until Wednesday. Fair, fair, fair. Yeah, because I'm in 2 contracts. So up at the point of up here, I was up 300. So if I just scalp this, like if I just got in here, kind of like taking the long entries here, long here, I think I would have been up, but market's just falling over now. And when I say scalp, I'm talking about hyper scalp too. Normally I take like the 10 points like you've seen, but scalping like a madman of like 5-point scalps with big size, because that's like 5 points at 2 contracts. That's I think $200 each. So it's like just bam, 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 you know, in and out. Here we go. How do we react to VWAP? Are we gonna get this VWAP bounce? Or am I gonna get bottom ticked here? Looks like I'm about to get stopped out very shortly here. Oh, stopped out. I mean, my edge, the best way to explain the edge is just base hits, which I'm not doing that right now. Right, stopped out. Oh, tough. Man, Romer, dude, if ES would have broke the highs, dude, you could have been in the money. This account's basically gone. I think I have $300 left on it. I don't even know. How much do I have left? Either way, there's not much left, so I think I'm just gonna full send it here. Yeah, right. All the coulda-couldas. Talk about getting edge, dude. It's just kept going up. Watch, now that it stopped out here, it's gonna 617. Hey, don't worry, man. I got stopped that already too, which this account's pretty much toast. Screw it. Let's just send it. You know what? Why don't we just send it? I got $300 left on this, so if it pulls back down, I guess this will be the last trade. The official last trade. Or we just get a fat bone candle to the upside. Just pray in it, Romer. Believe in your trade. Get this fat rip back up. That would be amazing. Right? Yeah, no, dude, that's a good point. I mean, I'm kind of just degenerating right now, to be honest. I'm a little bit tilted. But luckily, these are not I mean, this is not the right way to think about it, right? They're funded accounts, and I need to treat them like is, but they're at the end of the lifeline, so it's kind of like a do or die. Can we get the Bulls to step in here? Can they finally man up? We just full on rocket to the upside. Just yank it up to unanswered to 58, 50. 50 level to 58. But no, I know what you mean. I'm not really trading my edge right now. I'm kind of being idiotic with this. Don't like this no wick, but let's see. Let's ride it. We're in it for the long haul. Let's just continue pushing. VWAP, we're hovering around it. 29. Is this what the Bulls are looking for? Just a fake to the downside? Push it right back up? It'd be nice if we could just V reversal right here, all the way up to 46, 48. Get ES to push again. But we're just holding out. Oh no. What did I do? I just changed the setting on my mouse. What did I do? Alright, my mouse is back. Alright, we're back. Yeah, I see what you mean, Romer. Especially when you have a lot of accounts, dude. It's almost bad. I kind of talk about it too. Like, it's just not sometimes the best mindset to be in when you have multiple accounts, because you're like, oh, I can just blow and get another one. But yeah, large snap. Hey, I mean, that's good structure. Plan the trade the plan. Because there is no such thing as a perfect trade, right? A winning trade is a perfect trade, but sometimes trades just all look different, you know? It's never just black and white. It's sometimes always just gray. You kind of take what you get. Really. Top of the hour coming up. Do we have any news tomorrow? Let me check that. Because we had some numbers today, which weren't really that huge. Oh, I was like, dude, my mouse is moving really smooth. What's going on? All right, tomorrow's news, we have... My computer's frozen. Tomorrow we have... no news. Lovely. I mean, we have the U.S. Baker Hughes news, but that usually doesn't move the market, honestly. Yeah, I mean, shoot. So tomorrow might be another trendy day. Who knows? Who knows? We're now turning VWAP into resistance again. Interesting. Okay, nice. Structure on the 1 minute. Dude, we're moving so slow. Come on. Just pick a direction already. I mean, I wanted to go up, but either way, just go somewhere. NASDAQ Do we have some news at 6 or something? Or at the top of the hour? What's happening on ES? Form another pattern. Would love for us just to break through here and just get a fat Bollinger Candle back to the highs. I'm talking like strong move where the bulls just come in. We go straight to 50s. Wouldn't that be something, right? Chilling out here. Let's get this continued push. Don't form a wick here. There we go. That E is pushing back up again. Will we get the move that we wanted to see, the break of 50? Continue pushing. Let's go to 50, dude. Heck, why not? Let's keep pushing. Just get a fat Bollinger Candle right up here. Continue going up. Want to see the strength of the bulls. Oh, your entry's. Oh, yeah, huh? I guess. Where's your entry at? All right, bulls. We don't need you to lose your steam. We need you to keep pushing. If it leaves a huge wake, it's not going to be a beautiful trade. But we're in this now. Can the bulls keep rallying? Can we go to 50s? Just straight on. If we can close up here at 50 area, it's going to be great for the bulls. $37. Okay, nice. So we're above it now. And now it's turning into resistance. Whoa, tough. But now it's turning into support. Let's flip it. I need to get some epics now. Okay. Bulls are definitely pushing back in. Are they finally going to go claim that block up at 50? I don't know if that block at 50 is still there, but I want to see us break the highs. Let's go break the 50s and just go fill in this move that was made by the open. ES is a little bit lagging behind. Oh, we're stalling here. I think my roommate's about to stream too. Come on. Just go to my take profit already, will ya? So I can call it a night. I think he might be live. Let's go tune into his stream. Or maybe not yet. Oh, is that just a fake out? Oh, the board's really gonna die here. Looking like it. Yes. Ooh, that's not a beautiful wig. But we'll stay. You know what? We'll believe in the Old Faithful. Go claim that 650 block. Chilling. Let's get this push. We're about to open up a new candle. There we go. Let's just keep on breaking up. Have all the shorts try to pile in and short here. And the more they short, the more power we just have to keep pushing up. So let's go claim this 50 level. We're 4 points away. Claim it. Straight at the top. ES is breaking back up to the highs as well. Well, I guess Romer, if you wanted to short at the ES, you could get it. Once it breaks the highs. Can we continue getting this push? Break through 50s. Let's just continue straight to 58. TB is higher. Fair play, hey. I mean, I think it's valid too, because I mean, you look at this level, 680. I mean, that's gonna be kind of a crazy move. There we go, 47 on the ask. Can we get the clean break of 50? Get the break 50. Let's go 60s. Got about a minute left until a new candle opens. Might get a little bit of consolidation up here before we move up, but I'm tired of this trade. New 5 minute. There we go. Well, I guess since we're just waiting out, you know, Romer, you got any hobbies? You play any sports? You work out? Anything like that? Play any card games? Do any gaming? Besides trading and working? Although you probably don't have much to do, man. It seems like your day's pretty packed yourself. You're a busy man. You got school, you got work, you got this. Dude, there's no way this 50 block does not get touched. Come on. Stupid 50 block is holding us down. We need to get this push up. Break 50s. Let's go up to 60s. Bears are really trying to keep it below 50s. This is going to be a huge bummer if it just flips red and comes all the way back down. That would be very unfortunate. Did it come up? What did it come up to? What is that? 49.75? You got to be kidding me. One take away? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Don't be like this. Don't be that guy. You're not that guy, pal. Don't be that guy. Don't come up and take away. Go break that 50s. I can feel it any minute now. Break through the 50s. Let's go to 60s. Break through 50s. Let's get that clean. Just one swift move up to, there we go, 49.75. We're about to see 50. No, they're holding it down below it. All right, I see 51. All right, I think we just, finally we've broken it. Okay. Continue moving up. Let's see where next. Has ES made, oh, dude, ES, oh my goodness. ES is at equal highs again. How is that possible? 4 times the charm, right? There we go. ES finally broke highs. Okay. Finally get ES to break the highs. Let's continue going up. Just give me a bit more. 58. Can we get this rally? Continue pushing up to the highs like they want to get it. ES already broke highs, so 55, 56, 57, 58. Come on. All right. Finally. That was not pretty at all. Jeez. Toggle on get hammered. Thank you, Romer. Dog. All right. Now we're back to 50,000 on this account. Nice. So I guess I'm gonna have to take this one slowly again. Once again. All right. So we lost one soldier. We did pass another funded account. So we're back to kind of 4. I still need to trade 53, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. Yo, talk about a perfect. I got edged out. Guess what? Now I got edged in. All right. Well, that's probably what I call it, Romer. I know you're still in this trade. I hope you win, dude. I mean, obviously, it's in your favor right now. So, kill it, man. Make your money. Get that bread. And then, you know, I guess just be smart about trading. And don't do what I did today. And don't be a degen like me. But if you guys did tune in, anybody else, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on that notification bell because you don't want to miss entertainment. But other than that, you have a good night, and we will see you probably tomorrow morning for the Friday session.